In Truro, Massachusetts, there's a place called the Highland Center, and there you'll find a former Air Force base opened in 1951. It had 3 large domes, which acted as early defense systems against Soviet bombers. And while 2 of those domes were demolished, one of them is still used by the FAA today, or Federal Aviation Administration. But the center wasn't just home to a few domes. It was home to barracks for the operators to sleep in, even a full neighborhood for their family, and a bowling alley, as well as many other recreational buildings. Today the site is mostly abandoned and fenced off, but you can still walk down there to get a glimpse of the buildings from afar. You can even walk down to the edge of a cliff, which is the southern part of Head of the Meadow Beach. Speaking of Head of the Meadow, you can even see some of the dome from there, because it sticks out a lot. In 1994, the station was abandoned and was turned into a national park. Today, it is still abandoned, but rich in history. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more abandoned videos, click on the playlist in the top right. And for more awesome content, check out my channel.